Hello YouTube and fellow scale modelers. Welcome back to Xtreme Underground Scale Models. Today is episode 2 of What Did I Buy Wednesday from Iceman Collections. So let's get into the box. We'll do this one's first. So the same thing. I bought 2 LS engines. I don't know what vehicles I'm going to put them in yet, but I figured I'd get 2 of them. They're pretty nice motors. What I have next is 2 batteries with some decals. 2 sets of armrests. One of these days I'm going to do my own garage diorama. So I figured I'd buy some electric outlets. Then I got some then I have some hand cranks, then I have some window cranks. The next, I also have the 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup dropping slamming set. I think his website says they fit. They could fit on any vehicle, so I got it just in case. I might use these for that 1950 panel wagon or panel van that I'm going to do eventually. Well, that is it for my What Did I Buy Wednesday episode number 2. I have an order from VCG Resins on its way, so that will be episode number 3. So until then, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. But I almost forgot, so before I let you go, I did design and order my shop cards and stickers, so they're on their way. Probably in a week or 2 I should have them, so that will be a future video, short video, when I get them. So now, until then, I'll see y'all later.